Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. Today, we're diving into a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Can astrology actually help you attract wealth faster? Is there a way to align your financial goals with planetary energy? Can your birth chart reveal hidden money blocks or even cosmic windows of opportunity? Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner, to help you work with the natural cycles of abundance. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your journey to unlocking cosmic prosperity starts now. Let's begin. Your birth chart holds the blueprint for wealth. Most people think astrology is just about personality, but your birth chart can actually reveal how you attract or block wealth. There's no such thing as a rich sign or a poor sign, but some planetary placements are naturally aligned with financial abundance, while others show where you may need to work harder or break karmic cycles. Here are the most important parts of your chart when it comes to money manifestation. The second house, house of money and possessions. The second house reveals how you earn, save, and value money, and how your sense of self-worth influences your financial reality. Example, a second house in Taurus indicates strong potential for wealth through steady work, luxury goods, or even real estate. Celebrity example, Gigi Hadid has Venus in her second house, a classic indicator of earning through beauty, fashion, and the arts. Cosmic tip: knowing your second house sign helps you align your income strategies with your natural strengths. The 10th house, career and public success. The 10th house shows your path to public recognition, professional fulfillment, and legacy wealth, especially when combined with your second and 8th houses. Example, a 10th house in Capricorn favors long-term success through disciplined careers like law, finance, or corporate leadership. Celebrity example, Oprah Winfrey's midheaven, MC, is in Sagittarius, showing her fortune is tied to teaching, broadcasting, and sharing knowledge globally. Cosmic tip: if you want to attract wealth through your career, your 10th house reveals the ideal path. Jupiter, planet of expansion and fortune. Jupiter shows where opportunities for growth appear, including financial breakthroughs, but only if you actively pursue them. Example, Jupiter in the second house could mean wealth comes easily or through luck. Celebrity example, Elon Musk has Jupiter in Aquarius. Innovation, technology, and forward-thinking industries became his goldmine. Cosmic tip: activate your Jupiter energy by consciously leaning into opportunities that match its placement. Venus, planet of money and attraction. Venus reveals how you attract wealth, especially through creativity, beauty, relationships, and social charm. Example, Venus in Libra might attract wealth through partnerships, while Venus in Leo could indicate money through fame. Celebrity example, Kylie Jenner, with Venus in Virgo, built her fortune through meticulous branding and attention to beauty industry details. Cosmic tip: to magnetize wealth, embody the qualities of your Venus sign: beauty, charm, strategy, or creativity. Saturn, karmic lessons and wealth blocks. Saturn shows where wealth comes with time, patience, and mastery, slow success that lasts. Example, Saturn in the second house often means financial struggles early in life, followed by long-term security after years of disciplined work. Celebrity example, Sarah Jessica Parker, who grew up in poverty, has Saturn influencing her second house and became one of Hollywood's highest-paid actresses after years of relentless hustle. Cosmic tip: embrace Saturn's lessons. Discipline in your finances pays off. Timing wealth with lunar phases and transits. Astrology isn't just about who you are, it's also about when to act. Wealth manifestation becomes much easier when you align your actions with cosmic timing. New moon, set financial intentions. A new moon in your second or 10th house is perfect for starting a new business, launching a product, setting bold financial goals. Waxing moon, build and grow. The waxing moon between new and full is the best time to take action, invest in skills, expand your financial reach. Full moon, reap rewards and release blocks. A full moon activates results or illuminates blocks. Time to celebrate wins or release limiting beliefs around money. Historical example. Many ancient merchants timed trade deals with full moons, believing they would guarantee profit under a fully illuminated sky. Jupiter transits, cosmic gold rush. When Jupiter transits your 2nd, 8th, or 10th houses, major financial opportunities arrive. Job promotions, big clients, unexpected windfalls. Example, when Beyoncé had Jupiter crossing her midheaven, she signed major brand deals and expanded her empire. Cosmic tip, track your personal transits so you know when your financial power windows open. Saturn returns, financial reality check. Your Saturn return, around ages 29 and 58, often triggers career shifts, major wealth lessons, sometimes starting over financially. Example, Jeff Bezos founded Amazon shortly after his first Saturn return, leaving his stable Wall Street job to follow his entrepreneurial vision. Cosmic tip, use your Saturn return to rebuild your relationship with money from the ground up. Case study, J.P. Morgan, the billionaire astrologer. Let's step back into history for a moment. J.P. Morgan, one of the wealthiest bankers of all time, is believed to have said, "Millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do." While the exact wording is debated, it's historically confirmed that Morgan regularly consulted astrologers to time his investments, especially new moons, full moons, and favorable Jupiter transits. Whether you believe in astrology or not, Morgan's wealth speaks for itself. Finally, astrology can show you inner blocks that silently sabotage wealth. A Saturn square Venus might mean deep fears of not deserving abundance. A Chiron in the 2nd house can indicate money wounds from childhood, feeling unsafe around finances. Cosmic tip, work with these placements instead of against them. Money blocks aren't curses, they're invitations to heal. At the end of the day, your birth chart is a personalized treasure map. It shows where you naturally attract wealth, where you need to work harder, when the stars open golden opportunities. As you can see, manifesting wealth isn't just about hard work or luck. It's about understanding your unique cosmic blueprint and learning how to work with the energy of the stars instead of against it. Your birth chart holds personalized keys to prosperity, showing not only where your natural talents lie, but also how your mindset, timing, and even past life karma influence your finances. And when you combine this self-knowledge with astrological timing, aligning your financial actions with new moons, Jupiter transits, and your personal wealth cycles, you're not just manifesting money, you're co-creating abundance with the universe itself. If you're ready to uncover your own wealth map, I've linked a free birth chart tool in the description. It's the perfect starting point to explore your 2nd house, your Venus, your Jupiter, and all the placements that influence your prosperity. And don't forget, you can also download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with your 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner. These tools are designed to help you align with lunar cycles, set clear financial intentions, and unlock the cosmic flow of abundance. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your 2nd house sign? Do you feel it reflects your real relationship with money? Or do you sense that some cosmic blocks might be holding you back? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to help you decode your path to wealth. If you found today's video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next cosmic insight. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.